update on the tractor. I've been doing a lot of body work. 2 huge dents in the bottom corner of the grill support. Front was all dented in. Trying to smooth it all out. And some work on the rear fender. This fender here was really bad right along there, so I've just been trying to smooth it down a little bit. Again, it's going to be a 10-foot restoration. Looks good for 10 feet or so. It's going to look a lot better than what it did. And I've got new LED headlights that came in today for the front. And as you can see, I took off the old ones. And I also have new LED lights, same as the front one. One going there, the other one going there. And I actually picked up the triangle for the back. Just a quick update on what's going on with the tractor. Hopefully I'll get the body work all done tonight and hopefully be painting it tomorrow. Stay tuned for an update. Thanks a lot.